So this episode of Bake with Shivesh is very exciting because today I am making mug cake versions of some of my most popular eggless tall layered cakes. जिनके लिए of course you need a lot of ingredients and a lot of time. तो मैंने सोचा कि उन tall cakes के लिए let's make some smaller versions. मग में बनाएंगे. All of these recipes are going to be super quick, super simple. So let's get started. मैं सारे मग केक्स इस माइक्रोवेव सेफ मग में बनाने वाला हूँ. आई लिंक इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. एंड ये मग भी एक्चुअली काफ़ी बड़ा है, सो इफ़ यू वांट आप इन सारी रेसिपीज को भी हाफ कर सकते हो टू मेक अ फर्दर स्मॉलर केक. So last year for Holi, I made this very elaborate 4-layer रसमलाई केक and since वो सबको बहुत पसंद आया था, I thought इसका मग केक वर्जन तो बनता है. Let's start with some homemade dahi or yogurt. Into this, add some baking soda and give this a good mix. Into this, I am going to add some oil along with some sugar. Let's mix this all together. I am also adding in some milk infused with kesar and cardamom. In goes some maida. And finally some baking powder. And now it's time for one final mix. Let's microwave this on regular heating mode for just 2 minutes for the most amazing rasmalai mug cake. This is ready and I'm now making a big swirl of whipped cream on top. Let's also add in some chopped pistachios and a piece of rasmalai. आज तक का सबसे टाइम कंज्यूमिंग केक जो मैंने बनाया है हैज टू बी अ ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट केक बिकॉज उसमें इतने सारे एलिमेंट्स होते हैं. बट डोंट यू वरी बिकॉज टुडेज वर्जन ऑफ एन एगलेस ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट केक इज गोइंग टू बी सुपर इजी. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद सम मैदा, सम कोको पाउडर, सुपर फाइन शुगर एंड बेकिंग पाउडर. गिव दिस अ गुड मिक्स. Now let's add in some sunflower oil along with some milk. Give this one final mix to bring the batter together and then add in about 8 to 10 cherry halves. And now let's microwave this mug cake for just 2 minutes. बटरस्कॉच फ्लेवर सबको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद होता है, इसलिए ऑलमोस्ट 1 साल पहले मैंने एक 2-layer बेकरी स्टाइल बटरस्कॉच केक बनाया था. एंड टुडे आई एम मेकिंग अ स्मॉलर वर्जन ऑफ इट इन अ मग, जिसके लिए सबसे पहले यू नीड हाफ अ कप ऑफ मैदा, हाफ टी स्पून बेकिंग पाउडर, 1/4 cup of brown sugar which gives it a nice caramelly taste. Let's give this a quick mix. Now into this 1/4 cup of sunflower oil, half a cup of milk along with some vanilla extract. And now let's give this one final mix to bring the batter together. There you go, the batter for our butterscotch mug cake is ready. And now one final ingredient, which is some butterscotch nuts. So this is now ready for the microwave. Put this in, press the quick start button and cook the cake for about 2 to 2.5 minutes on regular heating mode. The butterscotch mug cake is ready. Now let's decorate it with some buttercream frosting. some caramel sauce, and some butterscotch nuts. My butterscotch cake is ready, and this is honestly like nostalgia in a mug. So फर्स्ट लॉकडाउन में मैंने ये रेड वेलवेट केक बनाया था और इसको मैंने कुकर में बनाया था, तो इसको कुक होने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगा था. बट लेट मी शो यू हाउ यू कैन एक्चुअली डू दिस इन जस्ट 2 minutes. We'll start with half a cup of maida. In goes 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Let's give this a quick mix. Into this I am adding some oil, some milk that I have curdled with vinegar, and some red food color. Time to mix this again. I'll now microwave this red velvet mug cake on regular heating mode for just 2 minutes. Red velvet mug cake तैयार है. इसको I'll decorate it with cream cheese frosting and some red sprinkles. I had so much fun making these mug cake versions of my elaborate tall layered cakes. So if you're somebody who's intimidated by those big cakes, these mug cake recipes are for you. And when you make them in your kitchen, make sure you share pictures on Instagram by tagging me at Shivesh17. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys with a brand new recipe next week. Until then, happy baking.